Let's say you want to create a new menu item. We'll start by selecting the dessert category and choosing what to add to it. Next, to add a new dish, click Create in the top left corner. Then we give our dish a name. For example, let's say we are adding a cheesecake. We can also write a description for our dish, or generate one in just a few seconds using AI. If you have international guests, you can easily translate the content. To do this, make sure the required languages are selected in the business profile. Switch the language selector to All to edit the title and description in another language. Alternatively, you can simply click the Translate button to generate AI-powered translations automatically. Next, we see the dish code. It is assigned automatically, but we can also change it manually. Item codes can be used for paper-based ordering or by scanning the item barcode to register sold items for tax reporting purposes. We also have a duration field that defines how long it takes to prepare the dish. If the duration is set to 0, it will be hidden. The price field defines how much the dish costs. If the price is set to 0, it will be displayed as Ask. Finally, there is a discount field used to attract more customers. If the discount value is 0, it will be hidden. Finally, you have full control over the item status using these checkboxes. Visible controls whether the item appears in the menu at all. Available keeps the item visible, but grays it out and prevents ordering, making it useful for marking items as temporarily out of stock without removing them from the menu. After saving, let's refresh the mobile menu page to see the changes from the customer's perspective.